a quick boat orientation. If you look up, that's the top. If you look down, that's the bottom of the boat. If at any point that switches, swim. Okay? Alright, looks like we are clear to go. Alright, we're off. You know, I wish I was off. Pick up your favorite hand and wave goodbye to those beautiful people on the dock. Don't be rude, wave goodbye to the average looking ones. Bye, Spencer. I'm sure you're beautiful on the inside. We're never going to see them again. We never saw them to begin with, so it doesn't really matter. Is everybody having a good time today?
Yeah!
Alright. Oh, alright. That is about to change. Welcome aboard the world famous Jungle Cruise, where we are world famous for being world famous around the world. Please remain seated, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat at all times. Adults, if you're traveling with kids, why? Oh no, I'm just kidding. Keep an eye on them. And kids, watch your adults, because I will not. Now my name is Tara, and I'll be your skipper, your guide, your snake charmer, marriage counselor, dancing instructor, lion tamer. If you don't laugh at the jokes, I'll be your swimming instructor. So just keep that in mind. If you happen to drop something in the river along the way, that's okay. Just raise your hand. And I'll raise my hand. And together we can wave goodbye to it. Just like that. Now we are in the Amazon rainforest, where it rains 365 days a year. Lucky for us, today's not one of those days. And just like that, we're going to switch rivers. Moving from the Amazon River to the Congo River. We're going to see how far we can go. Now, there is a pygmy welcoming party for everybody on board. It's a very big deal. All the villagers are going to be there. So without further ado, here we are! Oh no. Oh, nobody showed up to the party. I can't see anyone. Can you? I can't believe I shaved my legs for that. It must be a surprise party. I guess they're all hiding. Or, oh, maybe the snakes scared them away. That makes a lot more sense. You know, snakes are actually really friendly. They develop crushes on everyone. But that's a really constricting relationship. I would not want to get wrapped up in that. I heard it's very smothering, so we'll just pick up some snake repellent at the tent. Oh, maybe not. Oh, nothing's going right today. If you're wearing the color yellow, don't make a banana sound. They find that very appealing, and I will not make the same mistake twice in a row. Well, looks like they got that Jeep to finally turn over. That's great. I couldn't get it started this morning. They probably called 888 or used a monkey wrench. But I don't know cars, so let's keep moving. We're going to turn down the Nile River because it was way too loud. You know, the Nile River is actually the longest river in the world. It goes on for about 5,000 miles, but we have a really good engine, so it'll probably feel like 4 minutes. Right over here is our African bull elephant, and we can tell it's an African bull elephant because we're in Africa. And right over here is our sandstone formation. I'm only pointing it out because a lot of people take it for granted, but I think it's one of our bolder attractions, so I like to point it out. We're now on the African belt. All these dangerous animals gathered together. I'll tell you a few because I work here. We have the gray things, the long-necked cheetahs, the brown things, the old horses. You can tell they're old because they're still in black and white. We have the birds and the cats protecting us, of course. It's awfully nice of them. They didn't have to do that. He's dead. Tired. He's dead tired. That's how they sleep. Neck slightly bent. Who would have thought? So we'll just let him rest in pieces. I'm sure he's exhausted. Right over here is rule number 1 of the jungle. Do not argue with a rhino. But looks like they'll get the point. In the end, I'm sure of it. Oh, and that's my friend Ina. Everybody say hi, Ina. Hi, Ina. Everybody say bye, Ina. Bye. And she is so funny. Always laughing. Great sense of humor. Really fun at parties. As we turn the corner, if you look right through the trees over here, you'll see absolutely nothing. And right up ahead is the beautiful Schweitzer Falls, named after the famous doctor. Falls. Don't worry about that. We're going to go over it later. As we turn the corner, you might feel a bit. Really take that in and cool off. Really hot out today. Refreshing. Take that in. Oh, you know what they say. Safari, so goody. Now, how'd I land my job at the Jungle Cruise? That is a great question. It's plain to see. I just took a crash course, and ever since then, I've just been winging it. My career did not take off like I thought it would. But that's the tail end of that story. You know, down plains in the jungle, that can only mean one thing. Hippos, that's right. Hippos are really dangerous. They actually leap out of the water into the sky, and they bite airplanes in half. It's insane. I've seen it happen before. If they can do that to an airplane, imagine what they can do to a small boat. You know, just last week, they sank 6 of our goats. Lucky for us, only 5 were mine, so we're in good hands. We're now entering headhunter territory, which is an awful place to be headed, so never go there. You'll see the natives arts and crafts. That's Art in the front. Great guy. I used to work with him. And the natives are dancing in circles. That means they never learned how to square dance. Or they lost the key to the bathroom again. Let me see if I can translate that drumming. Nope. Now I was told to look out for an ambush in these parts. An ambush is a small, dangerous plant. It's like green and leafy. But I'm starting to think it's multicolored because they're saying it'll pop out at you. I haven't seen one all day, which is fine. Because we're rapidly approaching the 8th wonder of the world. The moment you've all been waiting for. Ladies and gentlemen, the backside of water! Woo! O2H! O2H! That one? No, fine. That's not something you see every day. Oh, but I do. Every day. Every 10 to 12 minutes. Alright, we're in the Mekong River now in the deep part of Cambodia. I know this temple doesn't look too good. Should we go in? Sure. Yeah, sure. Why not? It could lead to danger. It could lead to treasure. You guys keep your eyes open. I'm going to keep mine closed. Elephant bathing pool, that's really rare. Feel free to take as many pictures as you'd like. Everybody's got their trunks on, so they're not going to care. You know, a lot of people, they want to know if that's water coming out of their trunks. But it's not. You know why you can't see the elephants hiding up in the trees? Because they are really good at it. You know why they're so wrinkly? Because there are no irons in the jungle. And just like that, we're going to leave the bathing pool. We're moving on to the most important part of the tour. The educational part. Really boring, really tedious, but they make us do it. So I'll point out a few jungle plants for everyone. Alright, we have that one. And that one. And that one. Now if you look up there, that's hibiscus. If you look down there, that's lobiscus. In the water, that's sea biscus. On the tree bark, that's doggy biscus. And my favorite, nunibiscus. Now right over here is Trader Sam. He's actually the head salesman of the jungle, but sales have been shrinking lately. It's a real cutthroat business. So he's offering a great deal, 2 of his heads for 1 of yours. It's really a great deal. No matter what way you slice it or dice it, you're coming up ahead. You know, just last week he invited me and my boyfriend over for dinner, and my boyfriend said to him, "Sam, your wife makes the best stew ever." Sam said, "Oh my gosh, thank you." I am really gonna miss her though. I'm just kidding. That's a joke. Feel free to laugh at any moment. No, I don't have a boyfriend, so made that up. Now, now, if you're lucky enough to catch an invite to Sam's, I would not show up late. All you'll get is cold shoulder. And it's really all about the finger foods. That's everyone's favorite. Sorry, cannibal jokes. Really hard to swallow. So I'll stop. Now we are approaching the return to civilization. Some say that's the scariest part of the tour. I totally agree. So just remain seated, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat. Don't cross over the middle center seats there. It's actually a fire hazard. No, it's true. You trip, you fall. I laugh, I get fired. It's like a whole thing. Don't do that. Don't exit out through the windows. Really shattering experience would cause a lot of window pain, and that would be 2 bad trips in one boat, and I'm only responsible for the first one. So that covers all the boring stuff. Did everybody have a good time on the Jungle Cruise? All right. That was convincing. I had a good time too. I'm probably going to go again. And again. And again, yeah. My parents are really proud of my brother. He's a doctor. I could have been a doctor. I could have been someone. I just don't have the patience for it, you know? Thanksgiving at my house is horrible. So, who woke up today and was like, Jungle Cruise, gotta do it? Oh, no, wait, did you really? You did? How long did you cry for?
20 minutes.
20 minutes? That's not too bad. It's not bad at all.
1 hour.
An hour? Oh my gosh. I know that feeling really all too well. I wake up the same way every morning.
Yeah.
Crying. Thinking, oh, Jungle Cruise. Oh, gotta do it. Is this anyone's first time on the Jungle Cruise? Was that anyone's first? Oh, wow. Okay, no one told me. Really sorry. If I see you passing by the Jungle Cruise later, I totally understand. Make sure you tell all your friends about the fun we had today, because we like to keep the line short. But if you're free later, hey, come by and save me. I mean, see me. Yeah, get them mixed up all the time. Now this is where we part ways. Do you have to say, out of all my tours today, you guys have definitely been. Anyway, you know, some say it's been real. Some say it's been fun. Some say it's been real fun. But I am not one of those people. So, we're done. Get out. Oh, sorry, that was rude. Please. We're done. Get out. Oh, thank you for the pity applause.
Thank you so much, Tara.
Started by my coworker. That's how you know it's pity applause. Watch your head, watch your step. Use the handrails. If you look up over there, that's actually Skipper Josh. It's our 1-year anniversary today. Let me asking him out, him saying no. Trying again today. Hey Josh, what are you doing later?
I'm working.
Oh, you're working? Like all night? Oh, so you don't want to like get dinner or something? No? Okay, we'll get them next time. Oh yeah, of course.
Thank you, Tara.
Thank you. Have a good time at the most magical place on earth.
Don't go out the window. Oh my gosh.
Say that when you're 16 and there's a cool party down the street.
Car closed at 10? Yeah.
I'm here for the duration of existence.
2 and 3 journeys are available on a first-come, must-go basis. Interested parties should contact I know.
Hey, we gotta go get mommy.
Wait, don't run into someone, okay?
What's up, buddy?